An alternative way of doing this problem, an economic approach to doing this problem, would be to do what? Usually in economics, when they talk about the profit maximizing output rates for the firm, they solve them by doing what? Equating what, Patrick? Marginal revenue, marginal cost. An alternative way of doing this problem is to set marginal revenue equal to marginal cost, except you have to do it for both products. Usually you're talking about a firm that produces a single product, but this firm produces two products. So our profit maximizing marginal conditions are operate where the marginal revenue of producing product 1 is equal to the marginal cost of producing product 1. And also operate where the marginal revenue of producing product 2 is equal to the marginal cost of producing product 2. Using this approach, what is the marginal revenue of producing product 1? Marginal revenue is the derivative of the revenue function with respect to Q1. Yeah, remember our revenue function is just this. Our revenue function is 100 Q1 plus 80 Q2. So the marginal revenue of producing product 1 is just 100. So this is just 100. Okay. For every extra unit of product 1 the firm produces, they sell it for $100. So that's the marginal revenue of product 1. Constant at 100. What about the marginal cost of producing product 1? What is that given by? What is the marginal cost given by? Brittany? Okay. And if we're talking about the marginal cost of producing product 1, yeah, it's the derivative of the cost function with respect to Q1. It's a partial derivative. Partial C, partial Q1. And partial C, partial Q1 is just looking at the cost function up here, 2Q1 plus Q2. Okay. All right. Notice this is a linear equation in Q1 and Q2. But let's go to the second one. What's the marginal revenue of producing product 2? 80. Okay? Just the partial derivative of R with respect to Q2, so that's 80. What's the marginal cost of producing product 2? Well, take the partial derivative of C with respect to Q2. So this will be Q2 plus 2Q2. Oh, yes, this is a Q1, I'm sorry. The partial derivative of C with respect to Q2, the coefficient is Q1. Thank you. Okay. Notice what you have. 2 linear equations and 2 unknowns. In fact, they're the same linear equations we already solved for. So setting MR1 equal to MC1 and MR2 equal to MC2 is equivalent to satisfying the first order conditions, which we already have done. So if you solve these 2 equations, what you'll get is the same answer we got before. You'll get Q1 star equals 40. And Q2 star equals 20. Okay. So setting marginal revenue equal to marginal cost for each of the 2 products is just equivalent to satisfying the first order condition.